Rumors spreading round in that Texas town about the shack
Jökulhlaup,
outside
2024.
And you know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home out on the range. They got a lot of nice girls.
Morgan, say hi to the camera.
Well, here it's fine. If you got the time. And that's it.
Oh boy! Oh boy!
And here it's time. Almost every night.
Oh my God! We got it!
But now I might be mistaken.
Big waves and tiny boats. Here we go. We got a little bit of carnage going on at this Jökulhlaup. We love to see that. So let's get right into it. First up to bat, we have Jack, who's going to get smoked by a wave. Hate when a wave crests on your lap like that. Ooh. And with a speedy pop, he's able to flip the boat back over, and he is getting into that boat. Those waves are proving to make it difficult. Gonna worry about that downstream pylon coming up. Ooh, pillow off the left side. He flipped the boat right back over. Next up, we got Leo and Veronica. Gotta hate it when a lateral wave flips your boat like that. Zoom in! Ooh, and down they go. That rescue team charging forward to try and help out. Again, that pylon, that dirty pylon. Let's see what they do here. Veronica's giving her best Michael Phelps impression. Leo just teased that sucker up. Pillow off the right side, boat off the left. We do not have a pin boat here, folks. Love to see it. Here's another angle. Ooh, she flushes right out. That rescue team just charging meaty monsters to try and help out downstream. And a total yard sale of people and boat in the water. Downstream, we got Cesar, but Kevbo with the T-grip rescue. And Veronica's back in the boat. Love to see it. Now let's check out what Cesar is doing. He is threading the needle between those two pylons with the boat. I do believe he's got Leo in between the boat and his kayak. Let's see what he's doing here.
I feel like maybe a quarter of that beer went in my mouth. It just foamed up and went everywhere else.
Woo!